You ever post something you thought was really good and it just dies? Like 12 views. 2 are you, 1 is your mom. Meanwhile, someone posts a blurry video of their dog blinking and gets like 4 million views. So what's really going on? Because if going viral was about quality, the internet would look very different. Most people think virality is luck, but it's not. It's like a pattern. There's a structure behind almost everything that blows up online. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Here's the truth. Your content isn't competing with other creators. It's competing with dopamine, group chats, someone half asleep at 1 a.m. scrolling on their phone. So your content does not get judged fairly. It gets judged instantly. You don't get 30 seconds. You get like half a second. If it doesn't click right away, then it's gone. Rule number 1. If people don't get it instantly, it's dead. The brain hates confusion. It loves clarity. That's why contrast works so well. Before versus after. Rich versus broke. Beginner versus pro. And thinking slows people down. Slow kills virality. Here's what most people mess up. They try to be impressive. But viral content is not always impressive. It's emotional. People don't share information, they share feelings. Think about the last thing you sent to a friend. It was not a deep breakdown. It was, yo, watch this. Why? Because it made you feel something. Shock. Relatable. Funny. Curious. Emotion is what spreads online. Effort doesn't always. That's why high effort videos can flop and someone talking like me can blow up. Because the second one feels real. And here's the part nobody's talking about. People don't share content just because it's good. They share it because it feels like them. Virality is identity. When someone reposts something, they're saying, this is me. This is how I think. This is my humor. The more someone sees themselves in your content, the more it's going to spread. Virality is not always mass appeal. It's connection. And then there's the last piece, movement. Most creators chase quality. Viral creators chase movement. Is it easy to understand? Easy to send? Doesn't need explaining. If someone has to explain it when they share it, it won't spread. The best viral content moves on its own. It just hits. And here's the twist. Small creators actually have an advantage. They're closer to real people, real culture, real emotion. Big brands overthink. Small creators try things. And virality rewards speed more than perfection. So if you remember one thing, remember this. Virality isn't always about making better content. It's about making content that moves. Clarity, emotion, identity, movement. Once you understand that, you stop chasing viral moments and start creating them. If you want more real marketing breakdowns, hit subscribe. This is Media Management.